how does one stay healthy? How does one grow up and age gracefully? You want to eat living, vibrant foods. The general rule is this: if you eat dead foods, you're going to get dead results. If you eat living, vibrant foods, you're going to get living, vibrant results. It's that simple. You don't need even anyone to confirm this. You cut an orange open and you can see and feel the vibrations, the energy in it. You cut a piece of dead meat, it's dead. Nothing in there. It's not going to give you any nutrients. It's not going to energize you. So the way to heal, the way to get healthy overall, is to first clean the body out by going 100% fruits and herbs. This can take some time, but the key is to clean out the body so that it's free of obstruction, so that it can function properly and heal and clean itself. Once that is done, you can add balance to your life. You can have some cooked vegan foods. I personally would never touch animal products, because there's no benefits attached to it whatsoever compared to the negative effects you can have on it. So stick to the fruits, or primarily to raw vegan foods primarily. Have cooked vegan occasionally, and you have a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Okay, you're doing the best you can. You should have cleanses now and then. So every year, 3-4 times a year, you can have a detox cleanse, a fruit cleanse. What I tell you always, 100% fruits and the herbs. But then you can go back to normal, have some cooked vegan here and there, enjoy your life. This is how I would approach a healthy lifestyle. If I was trying to heal though, it'd be 100% fruits and herbs. But when I'm coasting or I'm enjoying, I'm primarily fruits for most of the day. So fruits, breakfast and lunch. And then I'll have a salad. And occasionally, now and then on social events, and when I feel like it, I'll have cooked vegan. This way your life is balanced, you're happy, but you're doing the best you can to thrive.